For 8.3 meets, you're going to rearrange Coulomb's law to solve for any of the variables. In this situation, it's asking for you to solve for the distance between the two charges. So the most important thing is first that we know what Coulomb's law is. So Coulomb's law is that the electromagnetic force is equal to a constant of K, Q1, Q2, over the distance squared. So we know that F, right, this is our force. We know that K is a constant. Q1 and Q2 are point charges. And last but not least, D is going to be the distance between our point charges. So if we're going to solve in this situation for the distance, that means that we're solving for D here. So the first thing that we want to do is take our equation, F equals K, Q1, Q2, over D squared, and decide what the first step is. So the first step is going to be to get D squared off the bottom. To get it off the bottom, I'm going to multiply both sides by D squared. Okay. Now I end up with D squared times F equals K, Q1, Q2. To get D squared alone, I want to now divide each side by F. Now I get D squared is equal to K, Q1, Q2, all over F. So D is now set equal to this, but we still have D in the squared form, right? So our last step here is to take the square root of each side. So ultimately what you should end up with is D is equal to K, Q1, Q2 over F, and we're taking the square root of that entire side.